What's going on, everybody? Jordan here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what's on my iPad mini 6. Let's get started. So before we hop into this, I'll have the iPad mini link down below if you want to check it out, as well as my unboxing, and then some of the links to the cases that I have. Yeah, let's hop into it. Alrighty, so let's jump into this. So you'll be seeing my iPad on the screen as I show you. So we've got YouTube, as well as a whole bunch of other Google apps, YouTube Studio for checking stats on my YouTube channel, YouTube Music, Gmail, Chrome, Google Calendar, Drive, Google One, Google Photos, News, Play Movies, Play Books, Docs, Google Duo, and some Apple apps, so starting with FaceTime, Files, App Store, Google Keep, Photos, Contacts, Keynote, Pages, Support, and the App Store, and then Find My, and then I have 4 folders, and then on the bottom of the screen I have Messages, Camera, Settings, and then my last few used apps, which in this case is Spotify, YouTube, and Chrome. In the first folder, it's my content creation folder, so I have Lightroom, Google Snapseed, InShot, Photo Layers, Text on Photos, Moment, which is another camera app that I mess around with, Background Eraser, Layout by Instagram, Wix for designing my website, and then Logo Shop, which is actually the website that I use to design my new logo. Next we have entertainment, so we got Netflix, Spotify, Disney Plus, Instagram, which doesn't scale well for the iPad, but that's Instagram for you. Discord, Lego Star Wars, the original, Rocket League Sideswipe, Twitch, TikTok, Google Podcasts, Minecraft, Crave, Prime Video, Angry Birds 2, Crossy Bridge, Shazam, Subway Surfer, memes app that I use, Music Maker Jam for making beats, Messenger, Twitter. And next is my shopping folder, so Apple Store, Best Buy, Amazon, H&M, Skip the Dishes, Uber Eats, Domino's, DoorDash. And the next is some useful apps that I have, so AccuWeather, 9to5 Mac, Backdrops, Daily Wire for news, CNET, Brave, which is another browser that I want to try out, GIF Keyboard, headphones for my Sony wireless headphones that I have, the XM4 WH1000s, Gboard, which is the Google Keyboard app, and then Sheets, Photoscan, which I use for scanning photos onto my phone, or onto my iPad in this case, super useful, Calculator, because the iPad doesn't have a built-in calculator, but this one works pretty well. Looks very similar to the iPhone one. You got Google Home for controlling my Google apps, and then Apple. So there's some other Apple apps that I don't use: iTunes, Voice Memos, Translate, Magnifier, Stocks, Measure, Clock, Shortcuts, Feedback, News, Podcast, Apple TV, Maps, Notes, Tips, Safari, Reminders, Music, and Books. And then I've got some widgets. So I've got the battery widget, some news, recent apps, kind of like a one for my gallery, Spotify, email, and then Disney Plus, and like my media widget. And then the wallpaper I'm using is from Backdrops, which is, I'll show you the app right here. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, tons of great apps. It's on the iPhone, it's on the iPad, it's on Android phones. Really great app. Definitely recommend it. Lots of high quality, high resolution wallpapers. Definitely recommend it. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so to wrap up this video, I just want to show you a couple of the cases that I'm using with my iPad mini 6. So on the iPad right now is the Apple Smart Folio case. As you can see there, Apple logo on the back, nice and thin, sticks on with magnets, easy to pop on and off. And then next we have the Spigen rugged armor, nice and thin but also protective. Definitely a pretty cool case if I don't need a folio. And this is the UAG Metropolis Folio case. Folds that into a stand as well, just like the Apple one. One thing I don't like about this one, it's got the UAG letters right there, which tend to like leave a mark on the iPad, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, pretty good case overall, nice and protective. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Comment down below if you have an iPad, what apps you use. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.